everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log in to Intrapost employee account. Intrapost is a company that operates in the logistic and supply chain industry. It employs 21 to 50 people and has 5 million to 10 million of revenue. If you are an employee for Intrapost and you'd like to log in and access your employee account, then watch the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your web browser to get started and in the web address bar type in mysite.canadapost.ca and press enter. Once you end up in this page, you can go ahead and enter your user ID and your password in order to access your employee account. Type in your user ID in the first text box and on the next field, type in your password correct. If you've forgotten your password during logging in, you can get help by clicking on Forgot Your Password link and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end. After filling in your details, click the login button to access your Intrapost or Canada Post employee account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.